Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to do a Nykaa haul and all the things I have purchased it are from my money and Nykaa is on sale, so I thought I will show you the products which I have bought and which will benefit you also. So guys, let's get started with the video and I will show you what all I have bought. Okay guys, so I'm showing you what all I have bought from Nykaa. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing what I have purchased from Nykaa is okay guys, I have ordered this Maybelline mascara. This is the Falsies Push Up Drama Waterproof Mascara and this is a very good mascara. I will show you this product. I have bought this and this retails for $5.99. I mean $5.69. I have got this in off in $5.69 and the original price, I don't think there was any discount on this product. So this is a very good mascara. So I have bought this. You can see. Okay, so I think now there is an off on this, so you can go and purchase it. But when I have ordered, there was no off on this. The second thing what I have bought from there is I'm just unboxing with you guys. I have also not seen what I have got it. So I have ordered, okay, I have ordered this Falsies. I have ordered this Nykaa Falsies. I can't see anything there. So I have ordered this Nykaa. This is the Lash Talk Real Deal, and they have glue also with this. I have just ordered to try. If it is good, I will just let you know, and you can also buy it. I have just purchased it so that I can give it a try and let you know, guys, that it's good or no. So this retails for $1.99. And I think in off, I will just leave all the price in the description box below. What was the discounted price on this? So you can go and check it out there. The next thing which I have purchased it is, okay, I will show you. Okay guys, the next thing what I have ordered is this. This is a Get Wing Nykaa liner. So I have ordered this. You can see. So it retails for, price is not written over here. I will just see in my, I'll just write in the description box below. So this is Nykaa Get Winged. So this is a very good liner. I will just do a video on this and you will get to know what is this. This is a nice liner. Whoever have a problem of not having a liner properly, or they cannot, their hands are not steady. So this is a very good product for that. So I will do a video on this and you will get to know what is this. The next product what I have bought is this Nykaa Black Kajal, and this is also very good. I will just show you. You will get a sharpener also. So this is the kajal. This sharpener and this kajal I have ordered. So that's very pigmented, I think. Yeah, it's very pigmented. You can see, guys. This is a superb kajal. So I have ordered this. It's a waterproof Nykaa black kajal. Yeah, it's a free sharpener inside, and the kajal is gel black, brings you to the gel finish and very easy to apply. So this is the kajal I have ordered. Okay guys, the next thing what I have ordered is you can see. The next thing what I have ordered is this Pond's Super Light Gel. So this is a very good gel, and this is for the non-sticky glowing skin, and it has a hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. It's a very good this is very budget friendly, and it has a vitamin E also and hyaluronic acid also. So this is a very good, you can see the consistency. This is a very good cream, like you can just order it. The consistency is also very creamy and very nice, like very gel like consistency. It's a very nice product. You can give it a try. If you want, I'll just do a video on this. It's a very nice product. So I have ordered this also. I will just show you. So this retails for, I think this retails for $2.99, and the discounted price I will let you know in the comment description box below, so that you can go and check it out what discount is available on this, you can just go and buy this. This is a very nice cream, so you just give it a try. After that, what I have purchased is this Pond's Anti-Pollution Purity Face Wash with activated charcoal. So this is also a very nice face wash. You can see I have ordered this also. This retails for 180 and this is with activated charcoal, so it will help you to deeper cleanse your skin. So this is a very good Pond's Anti-Pollution plus Purity face wash. The next thing what I have purchased is, I will just show you. Okay guys, the next thing what I have purchased is this L'Oreal blush. This is their newly launched blush and it's very good blush. I have ordered the shade Play With Me and it retails for 750. I think this was not on off, so I have taken in the full price, but it's a very good blush. You can give it a try. I will show you how it looks like. This is the blush I was talking about. The shade name is Play With Me, L'Oreal, and it has a mirror inside. That is very good. You can see the packaging is also very good and the blush is also very pigmented. It's a very good blush. You can just give it a try. You can just give it a try guys. This is a blush with a mirror and with a brush. So the next thing what I have ordered is, okay, the next thing what I have ordered is this Nykaa lip balm. This is a very good lip balm. This is a Serial Kisser lip balm. MRP is 149. I think on discount I got it from for 109 or something like that. And it's all day moisture lock. I have ordered a raspberry in this. This smells very good. Balm, it's a very good lip balm. It's a Serial Kisser lip balm. It retails for 149. And the smell of this is very good. You can just give it a try, and it's enriched with jojoba oil, almond oil and vitamin E oil. So this is also a very nice lip balm, and in discount I got it for 109. The next thing what I have ordered is this Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily fresh feel. So I have ordered this and this too. So to give it a try, which one is better? So this is like gel like consistency and this is a cream like consistency. I will show you. The smell of this is very good. You can see this is cream consistency, and the before I have showed you that was gel like consistency. This is a very creamy consistency. So and that is gel like consistency. So I have just ordered to see which one is better. So this is a lightweight moisturizer. This is with vitamin E and glycerine, and this is for soft and glowy skin. Like this is for people who have very dry skin. They can go for this. So you can check over there. This is I think for 115, and this is the bigger pack. This is for 299. So you can choose according to your skin type which one suits you best. The next what I have ordered is, okay, I have ordered this Nykaa Blend Master Beauty Blender. So this is a very nice beauty blender. I got in discount. This retails for 450. And in discount I think I got it for something 330 or something. That's a very good deal for a beauty blender, and I do my makeup mostly with beauty blenders only. So I have ordered this Nykaa Blend Master. The next, I think this is the last thing what I have ordered. This is the makeup remover. This is the Garnier makeup remover I have ordered. This is specially for waterproof makeup. Like whenever you have whenever you do mascara which is waterproof or anything, so this will easily remove your makeup. So I have ordered this. This retails for 225 and the discounted prices I will just let you know in the description below. So I have ordered this. So this all things I have ordered guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Okay guys, bye, take care, stay healthy.